Look at this. What does this sound say? I really don't give.
Hey, Big Bird.
Hey, baby. What you doing? What you doing today? Oh, you looking fine. You sure are. Oh, damn.
Big Bird.
You heard me, baby. Come on now. Come on. What you up to tonight? What you gonna do? Hey, baby. What you gonna do?
Don't know my husband's watching. He's over there at work, though.
Don't worry about him. I'll take care of him later on.
Oh,
Yeah.
He's not. He just left for work.
Oh, let me tell you something. Right here, you see this sign? It says I don't give a fuck. Don't give a fuck about your husband.
Oh,
I'm just moving my lips without making any noise. What you know
Big
about?
Bird. I got this little place we can go around the corner.
Yeah? You me? Me?
Yeah.
You?
Us.
Us? Oh, shit. That sounds good to me. Come on now, let's go on over there.
Are
Yeah,
you sure?
I want to go. You ever had some big bird donk? Bird donk?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's come on, come on, show me where your husband is.
She's right over here. We can go right over here. Underneath this sign.
Damn! You live in the ghetto, baby. I love it. You live in the ghetto, baby. Ghetto, baby. Ghetto, baby.